So today we're talking about the Samsung Air Cabinet. This is good for really deodorizing clothes and a little bit of de-wrinkling. Of course, if you really want something to look pressed, you're going to have to use an iron. This will get some of the wrinkles out, not all of them. If a wrinkle is deep set, it's probably not going to do it. But it does have, if you check out the control panel, normal setting, delicate, quick, 24 minutes, sanitize. You can see how long that's going to take. Just drying, center dry. And then special features if you want to do a suit, school wear, winter coat, wool knit, outdoor stuff, down jackets, fur, leather, heavy duty, self-clean. And then you could download other things as well. So, you could see if you're really in a rush, this is probably not going to be the thing to get. Even the quick cycle, like I said, is 24 minutes. If you want to sanitize something, we're talking about 2 hours and 12 minutes. So it does work good, but again, it's going to take a little bit longer than, say, pressing something. So basically on the inside of the cabinet, you can see you got a lot of space. The downside is that the depth, maybe for some men's jackets, you can see the size of the hanger, and then you could hang pants or whatever you want if you wanted to from here as well. You can also do towels, sheets, pillowcases, whatever you want to get some of the odor out. It'll deodorize these things as well. This does have an air filter back here. You can pop that out and clean it off if you want to. This pops right out of here, but that's just a plastic piece with a fine mesh filter. And then that pops right back in very easily. Pops right back in. So the other thing is you can hang things from here as well. This is actually a shelf. So if you have stuffed animals, maybe your child's had a stuffed animal for a year, you want to sanitize it, you can actually drop this shelf right in here. And it's made to, pull this back out. It's made to sit right here. And you could put any kind of hats, stuffed animals, pillows, whatever you want on something like that. And down here is where the water would go. And here is where the drain water would go. So the gray water would go in this drain tank, new water in the refill tank. And that's how it puts everything through the system. So again, you could take this shelf off and just hang it right on the door to get it out of the way if things were in here hanging. It does have a nice LED light inside. And like I said, very intuitive, very easy to use control panel. And you can adjust all these as well if you wanted to. It has a lock that you can lock it out, your power and your start button. And you can also pause it if you want to. And like I said, that's a new air cabinet from Samsung.